12-year-old male, constant breathing, having difficulties breathing. He is not completely alert. He is shaky. He's changing color to red. He is clammy. He does have asthma.